Oh, it's not coming off. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hey girl, go ahead and subscribe so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. But you are welcome, baby girl. So let's get into this install because we got something fun today. As y'all saw, that color was popping. So let's get into the install. I'm just applying my cap. I'm using the brush that they provided, this cute little pop-up brush that's very convenient. I'm just going to apply my makeup to my cap. Putting this unit on, I could already tell that it was going to fit nice and snug. And since it's a breathable cap, it felt really lightweight. And that no-slip band at the back really gave the back a lot of security. So putting it on originally, I was like, okay, like this is really glueless. Like she's laying very flat without doing anything. I was super scared to try this color. I don't do color very often. So once I saw like, okay, we can work with this. Like this color is actually giving very much summer and fall. And I was starting to feel myself, okay? But as you can see, there is a cast. The lace does not match perfectly with my skin. So I'm going to go ahead with some makeup just to apply it and blend it so that it is not noticeable. So we are looking good for this to just be right out the pack. Even the baby hairs that they provided on the wig does not look bad at all. I just combed it out a little bit and it looked very nice. We love a convenient wig, and so far this install was so convenient, quick, and easy. If you're still watching at this point, I want you to do me a favor and go ahead and comment and like this video. It will help me out a lot. I really appreciate it. And comment down below during the process of this video and just let me know what you guys think. Anything I can do better, anything that y'all want to see, let me know. But I'm just applying some makeup to the part. I really didn't have to. The part it was good how it was, but you know, we like to be a little bit extra. And if you don't know about me, I love me some big hair. So of course I combed out the curls for that big look. This is my favorite. Alright, so this is the wig straight out of the pack. As you just saw, all I did was apply makeup and put some makeup also on my parts. And I combed out the baby hairs. I left them exactly how they came. Combed out the curls a little bit for that big look because I love me some big hair. And yeah, I just wanted to show y'all exactly how it looks straight out the pack with no work done besides the makeup. And if you're lighter, you probably wouldn't have to put any makeup on at all, but since I am darker skinned, I did put a little makeup just for it to blend a little bit more. But yeah, this is it straight out the pack. Nothing has been done to her and she's really on and ready to go. Like, talk about glueless. Like, this is glueless. Like, I can't believe this. I literally just popped this wig on. You can pop this wig on and go, but I'm going to show you how the curl pattern is when you define it, and also just, you know, if you want to like just jazz up the baby hairs a little bit, but you can really leave them like they come. But you know, I'm gonna do a little extra and just see what we come out with. So let's get back into it. So I'm just going in with a little bit of hairspray on my baby hairs just to keep them in place a little bit more. And then I'm going to apply some mousse to the lace just to melt it in a little bit. It'll still be glueless, but it just helps to like really make sure that the lace is not showing at all. Anybody else be having a stank look when they're wetting their hair? I don't know if it's because I don't want it to get on me, if I feel nasty, but I always just look so stank when I'm putting water and mousse on my hair. So as you can see, the curls look really good with just water and mousse. They're nice and juicy and defined. I didn't get a lot of shedding raking my hands through. This was pretty much all I got, which was very good. All right, so this is the hair with a little bit of water and mousse. It's still a little damp, mostly dry, but this is how it look if you were to define the curls. Really pretty. I love the curl pattern, and the color is bomb. I don't do color very often, so this is definitely new, and I have to say I'm loving it. I'm loving the color. I'm loving the convenience of this wig to just be able to throw it on and go. And that band that I showed you that goes around, I can tell it's like the way it's made, it's like to keep it down, so you're really like secure. It feels nice and tight, and like I said, it is glueless. No glue at all. Let's do the test. Let's do the glueless test, because you know somebody might try to try you, sis, and if somebody try to try you oh, it's not coming off, sis. Do that again. Let me do that again. It's secure. It is secure, y'all. It's still on my head. It didn't even move, not a little bit. I'm too excited. This is my first, this is my first glueless wig. I've been seeing them go around on the internet, on social media, and I just like, oh my God, throw on and go, baby. This is a throw on and go wig, honey. And I just did a little bit of extra just to show y'all, but y'all seen it right out the pack. It was good, ready to go. So if you purchase this wig and you thinking that you gotta do all this work, maybe you could pop this baby out of the pack and put her on. Put her on, okay? Like, how do y'all like this color on me? Let me know. And I'm actually gonna show y'all, I'm thinking it might be able to work to the side, so I'm gonna show you that real quick. So let's see. Side part me. Side part me, honey. Let's see, deep side part. Let's see how far it can go. Of course, we have to lay our little baby hairs down. And I would do something with this baby hair right here, but yes, the convenience of being able to switch it up as well. What is she giving to the side? What is she giving? Cause it's giving, like this is giving, I can wear this color summer and fall. This is, which way y'all like, side or middle? Let me know down in the comments. We're gonna go ahead and switch her back. So my review of this wig is that, is it truly glueless? Yes, comes pre-cut, baby hair already on there. If you don't know how to do baby hair, hello. Throw her on, hello, and go. I only got a little bit of shedding, like as far as when I was combing through it, which is normal. This is curly hair and it is colored. It's been treated, so perfectly normal for that little bit amount that I got. She feels soft. I love her. Make sure y'all check the description box down below for all the information on this unit. After you subscribe, right after you like, and right after you comment. Thank you, UNiceHair, for sending me this wig. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.